everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Fawn, and today I want to do something fall. I want to do something sultry and really dark. As you can see, my dark backdrop. I have these contacts in my eyes. I'm ready to slay. So I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I'm mixing my WetnWild PhotoFocus foundation and my LA Colors Truly Matte foundation. I hate the shade of this, love the coverage. The shade of this is really orange, but somehow it works like a charm. So I think it works really well to color correct my face. So I'll apply this on, and then I'm mixing this because the coverage on this is like phenomenal. And I don't want to use all my WetnWild because this foundation is gold, seriously. I need to put my hair back some more because yeah, this black backdrop is so dark. I feel like I'm standing out even more for you guys. So I just want to swipe some of this on my face. This will help to brighten the LA Colors foundation because this is extremely neutral and kind of dull looking on my face, so it should brighten it. So I'm gonna do like, this foundation is so full coverage, I think I only need like one pump. I'm doing one pump. If I need more, I'll put more, but seriously, this goes such a long way, especially when I mix it with another foundation. It's like so much coverage. I have it on my sponge. My concealer, I'm using my LA Colors, is it? No, LA Girl for Conceal in the shade Fawn. Just getting my powder ready. Now I'm taking my Dare to Create palette. I'm taking the shade Evolve to contour my nose, and I'll take Bare and Canvas to go under my eyes to brighten under my eyes. Not that it needs more brightening, but it kind of does. Take the same shade Evolve, my contour, and put it on my cheeks. Don't usually contour, but well, I don't usually contour my cheeks, but let's try this. Probably will not use blush today. Who is she? Okay, think we should start the eyes. We are going in with Vivid, the shade right here in our crease. I'm not laying a base because my eyelids are dark enough to be its own base for a smoky eye. I think we'll mainly work with these two colors because a smoky eye can be so easy if you take your time. You don't need a bunch of colors, but oops. Awesome. So we are taking Muse. Muse is right here. Looks very intense, so I hope it shows up as deep as it looks. She is very intense. This is such an intense black. Wow. So we're not taking it too high too quickly, but we're just packing it on. I'm going to take this brush and we're gonna blend the edges out slightly. I used some dark brown on this brush. I didn't dip it into anything, but it might be remainders, so I'm just gonna blend up the edges of our black. Are watering. Okay, my eyes are better. Now I want to take black on a smudger brush and we're gonna smudge the bottom lash line. Just blending it into my crease, bringing it a little higher, because when I close my eyes, because I have hooded eyes, you just see my lid, so I want you to see some of the smoke like in my crease as well. So that's what I'm doing now. This is a clean brush. Taking my flat brush and taking some more black and just intensifying it because I had to blend it out and it probably dimmed my black a little. So I'm going to complete the same thing on this eye, apply some lashes, and we'll be right back. Lashes on, eyes complete. What we want to do now is the lips. Actually, let's highlight our face first. I didn't do any blush for this look. Yep, shocking, I know. But I just did contour and we're just gonna highlight. never do this step, but let's try it out. So for the lips, I like to give you 2 lip options. I want to do something nude and then something really vampy and dark. So I'm just gonna blot this lip gloss. For the nude, I'm taking my lipstick from Makeup Revolution in the shade Triumph. This is it for the nude. I have to say I really like nude lipsticks. If I'm wearing this look out, I will wear nude because I'm not as bold and daring to do dark eyes and dark lips, but I will give you the option and you can tell me which one you guys prefer. This shade is called Vamp It Up from WetnWild. It is so dark. So this is the dark lip. This is the tutorial all completed. Let me know which lip you prefer. Do you prefer the nude lip or this dark vampy lip? I love to know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're not already, turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload my videos, and I'll love to see you in my next video. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Check out my most recent upload right here or subscribe to my channel right here. Bye guys.